Ever get that sinking feeling when you're abroad and realize you're running low on cash? Maybe you forgot to exchange currency before your trip, or maybe your plastic just isn't welcome at that charming little market. Fear not, travel warriors. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Monese, a digital banking app that's become a favorite for globetrotters. But with all the convenience, one question lingers: how much cash can you actually withdraw from your Monese account in the UK? Now, before we unleash the numbers, let's rewind a bit. What exactly is Monese? Imagine a bank that fits in your pocket, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Monese offers current accounts, debit cards, international money transfers, and a bunch of other features that make managing your finances on the go a breeze. They don't have physical branches, but with their app, you can keep track of your spending, top up your account, and yes, even withdraw cash. Alright, enough with the intro, let's get down to brass tacks. The amount you can withdraw from your Monese account in the UK depends on a few factors. Your account type. Monese offers different plans with varying features and, you guessed it, withdrawal limits. Their most basic plan, the Simple plan, allows for a decent amount of free ATM withdrawals, but if you're a high roller, you might want to consider upgrading for a higher limit. The ATM itself, believe it or not, even the ATM can play a role. Some machines have their own daily withdrawal limits that might be lower than Monese. So, it's always a good idea to check the ATM screen before you insert your card. Foreign currency. If you're withdrawing cash outside the UK, you'll likely encounter currency conversion fees. Monese uses the wholesale exchange rate, which is generally good, but there might be a small additional fee on top. Now, let's talk specifics. For the most up-to-date information, it's always best to check Monese's official website or their app. But to give you a general idea, here's a breakdown. Simple plan. This plan offers a free ATM withdrawal allowance, typically around £200 per month, shared between ATM withdrawals and cashed back at stores. Once you exceed that limit, you'll be charged a fee per withdrawal. Classic and premium plans. These plans come with higher withdrawal allowances, often reaching up to £900 per month. Again, exceeding that limit incurs a fee. Here's the key takeaway: no matter your plan, Monese offers a buffer zone for free ATM withdrawals within the UK. But if you're a frequent traveler or anticipate needing a lot of cash, consider upgrading your plan or factoring in potential fees when budgeting for your trip. Bonus tip: Monese also offers a handy feature called cashback. With participating retailers, you can make a purchase with your debit card and get a small amount of cash back at the register. This can be a great way to top up your wallet without hitting the ATM. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing your finances abroad. With a little planning and understanding of Monese withdrawal limits, you can avoid any nasty surprises and focus on what truly matters, exploring new places and making amazing memories. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.